Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi everyone, welcome to Ask K-Jin. My name is K-Jin. 안녕하세요, K-Jin입니다. In this series, I'll answer your Korean questions. So if you have any questions, please let me know by clicking the link in the description. Or you can go to koreanclass101.com/ask-kjin. So ask me any questions. Today, I picked questions related to Korean noun modifiers. Here's the first question. What are the differences among 많은, 많다, and 많이? Let's look at 많다 first. This 많다, 많다. It's an adjective and it means many or much. And we say this form as dictionary form or infinitive form or root form. So it's just a basic form of this adjective. 많다, 많다. Then, what is 많이? 많이. 많이 is an adverb. Yes, so you put this 많이 before a verb or an adjective. For example, 많이 먹어. It means eat a lot. Eat a lot. So 많이 came before the verb 먹어. 먹어. So 많이, a lot. 먹어, eat. So it's used as an adverb, and 많이 is always an adverb. And now, then what is 많은? 많은 is also an adjective, but 많은 can come only before a noun. For example, 많은 책, 많은 책, it means a lot of books or many books. 많은, a lot of or many. 책 means book. By the way, did you notice something? I didn't use the plural form here, but I just used the singular form. 책, 책. If you want, you can put 들, 들, and make it as a plural form, as in books. 책들, 책들. But actually in Korean, we don't really care if it's a plural or singular. So very often it's a plural form of a noun, but we just use a singular form. 많은 책, 많은 책. Because as a Korean, it's not so important to know if it's a plural or singular. The thing is, it's just a book. So we often say 많은 책, 많은 책. So as you can see here, you put 많은 before a noun. Before noun. So please remember, 많은 can only come before a noun. And this is what we call noun modifier. Noun modifier. What is this noun modifier? So as you can see here, 짠, 많다, 많다 is an adjective. But we don't use 많다 before a noun. So if you want to say pretty ring or good idea, expensive car, in English, you put adjective before noun directly, right? But in Korean, we don't put adjective like 많다 directly before noun. We always need to put 은 or 니은. 은 or 니은. So how can you use 은 or 니은? Let me show you some rules. 짠! Here we go. If an adjective stem ends in a vowel, then you use 니은 and put noun after that. If an adjective stem ends in a consonant, then you put 은 here, 은, and put noun at the end. What does that mean? Let me show you examples. Let's say good idea. What is good in Korean? Do you know how to say to be good in Korean? That is 좋다. See, these adjective ends with 다 in Korean, right? When you check the dictionary, Korean verb and adjective always ends with 다. Now, you want to put this good before a noun. Then what happens is, 짠, you remove 다 and get the stem. What is a stem? Stem is the verb or adjective without 다 at the end. So here, 좋 is the stem. Yes, it's an adjective stem because it's an adjective. So we call adjective stem. And look at this. It consists of 지읒, 오, 히읗. So this 좋, it ended with consonant. So I'm putting 은 after that. Because if adjective ends in a consonant, then we use 은 here, right? 은. And what is idea in Korean? Idea can be 생각, or we can use the English word idea directly, but let's use Korean word here. So good idea in Korean is 좋은 생각, 좋은 생각. See, when I want to put an adjective before a noun, which is idea, or 생각, 생각 in Korean, then we cannot put 좋다 directly, but we need to use noun modifier. I use 은 here, 은. Then let's say I have this adjective, 비싸다, 비싸다. It means expensive, expensive. Now I want to use this adjective before a noun. What noun? How about 차, which means a car. So I want to say expensive car, expensive car. In English, you use the expensive directly, but in Korean, nope, we need to use noun modifier. Okay, so to use noun modifier, I need to get the stem. What is a stem? Stem is always the verb or adjective without 다 at the end. So 비싸, 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 It ended with vowel sound, right? It ended with vowel sound. Since it ended with vowel sound, I'm putting 니은 at the end. 니은, like this. 비싸. Just combine this as in 비싼. 비싼 차 means expensive car, expensive car. So this is how you use noun modifier with Korean adjectives. Here's the second question. What are the differences among 본, 보는, and 볼? Well, to make it clear, let me show you some examples. Do you like Korean dramas? Drama in Korean is 드라마, 드라마. So, 내가 본 드라마, 내가 보는 드라마, 내가 볼 드라마. So here are the examples. And all these examples have today's target word, 본, 보는, 볼, right? All of these words, 본, 보는, 볼, are from 보다, 보다. It's a verb meaning to watch, to see, to look. 보다, 보다. So what is 본 here? They look all similar, but what are the differences? First, 본, 내가 본 드라마 means is drama that I watched. So it means the drama that I watched. Then what about this? It's drama that I watch. So it means drama I am watching or I watch. This is a present tense. How about this? It means it's drama that I will watch. So this is a future tense. So all of them are from the verb to watch. 보다, 보다. But we just change the form to indicate some tense. 본 is past tense. So the drama that I watched. 보는, present tense. So drama that I am watching or I watch. And drama I will watch. Drama that I will watch. This is a future tense. So as you see here, 본, 보는, 볼. These are all the words that comes before noun. So we call these noun modifiers. Noun modifiers. In the previous question, we look at some adjective. Here, we are looking at some verbs. So let me show you the rules, how you can use them. 짠! Here we go. So get the verb stem first. Here you have verb stem here, verb stem. And the point is, if the verb stem ends in a vowel, then you need to put just this N sound after stem directly. If it's a present tense, put 는. If it's a future tense, put dear and noun comes after that. This seems complicated, but if you look at some examples, it will be easy. So let's use exactly the same 짜자자잔 examples. So we have this word 보다. As I mentioned, it means to watch, to see, to look. 보다, 보다. Let's get the stem first. 보다. What's the stem? Stem is the word, verb or adjective without 다. Okay, so I remove 다. 보. Aha. It ended with vowel here. Vowel. 보, 오. It ended with O sound. So it ended with vowel. So I put 니은 here if I want to say past tense. So for example, 내가 본 드라마, the drama that I watched. Or 내가 본 영화 is also okay. 영화 means a movie or a film. Now I want to say, this is the drama that I'm watching these days. This is a drama I watch every morning. So now we have 보다 again. What's the stem? Now you know it. It's 보. Okay, so it's a present tense. 짠. Then I need to put 는 after the stem. Okay, after the verb stem, I put 는, as in 보는. So 보는 is here, right? 보는 drama. 내가 보는 drama. So this is a drama that I watch every morning. 내가 매일 아침 보는 드라마야. 내가 매일 아침 보는 드라마야. Let's make a future tense now. So 보다 again. What's the stem here? Is 보. So 보. Okay, so it ended with vowel sound. So I'm putting dear after the stem, as in like this. 볼. So this is a drama that I will watch. This is a movie that I will watch. 내가 볼 영화야. So this is a movie that I will watch tomorrow. Is 이게 내가 내일 볼 드라마야. This is I 내일 tomorrow will watch movie 영화. Okay, so this is how we use noun modifiers with verbs. Here's the last question. What are the differences? 어머, 먹은, 먹는, and 먹을. I think now you can guess the differences, but let me show you some examples. 내가 먹은 피자. 내가 먹는 피자. 내가 먹을 피자. Ooh, they look very similar, but they are different. So, 먹은, 내가 먹은 피자. So it's a pizza that I ate. It's past tense. 내가 먹는 피자 means this is a pizza that I eat. Maybe I eat regularly, or that pizza that I'm eating. 내가 먹는 피자. And 내가 먹을 피자. 먹을. So it's a pizza that I will eat. So now you see 은, 는, 을. Yes, these verbs can come before noun to give more meaning to the noun. And these are all noun modifiers. 짠, so here are the rules. And let's practice with this verb, meaning to eat. 먹다. And what is the stem here? Stem is the verb or adjective without 다 at the end. So 짠, 먹 is a stem. 먹. Let's see. 먹. Yes, it ended with a consonant, right? Consonant. So we are using these rules. Yes, so verb stem, 먹, plus, let's use the past tense. I want to say the pizza that I ate, or the kimchi that I ate. So 먹은. So yes, it's the past tense. So 먹은 피자. 내가 먹은 피자 means pizza that I ate. Now, how can I use this 는 here? 는. As you can guess, it's very simple. So get the stem, 먹다, and stem is 먹. And now I want to use a present tense. So 먹는. So 내가 먹는 피자 means the pizza that I eat, or I am eating. And lastly, we have 짠. 먹다. Again, now I want to use the future tense. Future tense, use 을, right? So verb stem is 먹, and I put 을, 먹을. So 먹을, the pizza that I will eat is 내가 먹을 피자. So 먹은, 먹는, 먹을, they are all from the same verb to eat, but by putting different noun modifier, they have different tense. And these one can only come before noun, like 먹은 피자, 먹는 피자, 먹을 피자. They don't come after the noun. In English, it's different, right? You put this kind of modifiers after the noun. For example, the pizza that I ate, the pizza that I eat, pizza that I will eat. But in Korean, the order is opposite. I know these noun modifiers are not easy, so I put all the information together in one chart like this. So just remember, adjective. If it's an adjective and you want to put adjective before a noun, you need to use noun modifier, either 니은 or 은, depending on the adjective stem. If it ends with a vowel, then you use 니은, as in 비싼, 비싼. If the adjective stem ends in a consonant, then you use 은, such as 좋은, 좋은. It means good, good. If it's a verb, it's a little bit complicated, but you will be okay. So please remember, if it's a past tense, we use 니은 or 은, 니은 or 은. For example, 본 means that I watched or that someone watched. Or 은 here, like 먹은, if the stem ends in a consonant. For present tense, it's relatively simple because it doesn't matter if it ends with a vowel or consonant. You just get the verb stem here, and put 는. For example, 먹는. This is the pizza that I eat every week. 내가 매주 먹는 피자야. So 내가 매주 먹는 피자야. So it's simple. Verb stem plus 는. Lastly, we have this future tense. Yes, future tense. So you have to use either 리을 or 을, depending on the stem. Look at the stem. If it ends with a vowel, then you use 리을. If it's a consonant, then you use 을. So remember this. Get the screenshot or make a note of it and practice a lot. This is so useful and is very, very important. That's it for this lesson. Today I answered 3 questions about Korean noun modifiers. If you have any other questions, click the link in the description or go to koreanclass101.com/ask-K-Jin. Thanks for watching. I'm K-Jin and I'll see you on koreanclass101.com. 다음 시간에 봐요.